I'm the guy who got slapped.
How can I slap Shahid Kapoor? First of all, no.
It's amazing to be back in a theatre. It's amazing to do this again, where we all can come together and celebrate cinema in the place that it should be celebrated in, which is the big screen. I don't think we'll ever lose the love for that or the charm for that. It just has a different feeling. Content is traveling in many different ways right now, and I'm so happy that I worked with the team that I worked with on Jersey. I feel like this was the most amazing, most collaborative, most understanding and together team that I've worked with in a long time, because it was very difficult. When COVID happened, it was pretty much 50% through this film, and my man here, Aman Gill, who was with me every day on set, he decided to stop shooting because it was not safe, because there was a kid and there was my dad and there was a lot of people, and so we didn't want to risk it. There were no vaccines at that time, and then it took us a long time to get back to completing the rest of the film. So it's been a long journey for us, and we're finally here. And every time we spoke to each other, we said, we're not going to release this film unless the theatres are open. And we actually waited for 2 years to release the film. So I want to thank Allu sir, I want to thank Dil Raju sir for having the heart and being the producers that they are. And I must say that they are actually lovers of cinema in the true sense. They have the same feeling, and they wanted to share this story, this experience with everybody, the way we had conceived it. And so I'm so happy that this film's coming out on the big screen the way it was always supposed to, because I don't see any other way that I would have liked to share this story. So I feel very blessed today to be here. One of the teams that was cheering the most for Suryavanshi was also us कि यार ये picture चल जाए,
लोग वापस आ जाएं,
रेल गाड़ी start हो जाए, फिर हम सब अपनी picture release कर सकते हैं. So it's great to see that films are back in theatres, and congratulations to Suryavanshi for having the guts to go out there and be the first film in line. It's not easy to do that, and it's not easy for any of us right now, because having shops shut for 2 years and not knowing what's going to happen is a very scary feeling. And this film is all about the victory of the human spirit, so I think it has great context for the times today. I think it's more relevant today than even when it was when we started shooting it.
So I'm happy that the films are releasing. And Jersey is very, very special to my heart. मला विचारायचं कसा वाटला ट्रेलर? खडा? छान? तिकडनं नाही ऐकू आलं. Bus, this is what I want. This is what I really wanted to. I wanted the film to come out in the theatres where you guys can go with your family and your friends and enjoy the film, because it's so much, it's filled with emotions, and I think it's a very special film to me and Shahid and all of us, and the team, they've worked really hard, and I'm blessed to be a part of this team. I can't wait for you all to watch the movie.
Jersey movie is very special to me because I wrote this script some 6 years back, and I'm fortunate enough to direct this film twice. So this film is very close to me, very personal for me, and this opportunity I would like to thank the producers, Arvind sir, Raju sir, Vamsi and Aman, for seeing through the tough times and waiting to release this film in theatres at the right time. And Shahid sir, if I had to pick one best moment of my career, I would pick that opportunity to work with you, sir. And I mean, this coming right from the heart. I'm actually working with you for the last 1.5 years. Not even a single day you were laid back, and you were always so sincere with your prep, with your work, your passion for the filmmaking. Everything inspires me. Thank you so much for being part of Jersey, sir. And thank you for playing Arjun and taking this film to a bigger number of audience. Thank you so much, sir.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.